Hello everyone, myself is Sneha, nursing tutor in Index Nursing College. In this video, I will explain about cardiac arrhythmias. So, let's start. First, SA node, the primary pacemaker of the heart. Each normal beat is initiated by the SA node. Inherent rate of 60 to 100 beats per minute represent the P wave in the QRS complex or arterial depolarization. What is AV node? AV node represent the PR segment of the cardiac cycle, has an inherent rate of 40 to 60 beats per minute. It acts as a backup when the SA node fails, where all junctional rhythm originate. QRS complex. QRS complex is represent the ventricles depolarizing, firing collectively bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. Origin of all ventricular rhythm. QRS complex has an inherent rate of 20 to 40 beats per minute. EKG trace. EKG trace isoelectric line, baseline, P wave atria firing and PR interval delay at IV. QRS ventricle firing, T wave ventricles repolarizing. Summary: cardiac cycle, P wave arterial depolarization, PR interval represent pause between atrial and ventricular depolarization. QRS represent ventricular depolarizations and T wave ventricular depolarization. So, in cardiac cycle, P wave represent atrial depolarization, PR interval pause between atrial and ventricular depolarization, QRS represent ventricular depolarization, and last T wave show ventricular depolarization. Sinus rhythm, normal sinus rhythm, heart rate 60 to 100, rhythm regular, P wave before each QRS identical, PR interval second 12 to 20, QRS second. Sinus rhythm, normal sinus rhythm. Sinus node is the primary pacemaker. Normal sinus rhythm. Sinus node is the primary pacemaker. One upright uniform P wave for every QRS. Rhythm is regular. Rate is between 60 to 100 beats per minute. Sinus bradycardia. Sinus bradycardia, one upright uniform P wave for every QRS. Rhythm is regular. Rate less than 60 beats per minute. SA node firing slower than normal. Normal for many individuals. Identify what is normal heart rate for patient. Sinus tachycardia. Sinus tachycardia, one upright uniform P wave for every QRS. Rhythm is regular and rate is greater than 100 beats per minute. Usually between 100 to 160. Can be high due to anxiety, stress, fever, medication, anything that increase oxygen consumption. Sinus arrhythmia. Sinus arrhythmia, one upright uniform P wave for every QRS. Rhythm is irregular. Rate increase as the patient breathes in. Rate decrease as the patient breathes out. Rate is usually 60 to 100, maybe slower. Variation of normal, not life-threatening. Sinus arrest. Stop of sinus rhythm. New rhythm start. One talked beat is sinus pause. Breath beats walk through. Sinus arrest is stop of sinus rhythm and new rhythm start. And what is sinus pause? Sinus pause is one dropped beat is sinus pause. Beat walk through. Premature atrial contraction. Premature atrial contraction PAC. One P wave for every QRS. P wave may have different morphology on ectopic beat, but it will be present. Sinus ectopy beat will disrupt regularity of underlying rhythm. Rate will depend on underlying rhythm. Underlying rhythm must be identified, classified as a rare, occasional, or frequent PSC premature atrial contractions based on frequency. Atrial fibrillation. Atrial fibrillation. No discernible P waves preceding the QRS complex. The atria are not depolarizing effectively, but fibrillating. Rhythm is grossly irregular if the heart rate is greater than is considered controlled A5 if less than 100 it is considered to have rapid ventricular response. AV node act as a filter blocking out most of the impulses sent by atria in an attempt to control the heart rate. Next, atrial fibrillation. Often a chronic condition. Medical attention only necessary if patient becomes symptomatic. Often a chronic condition. Medical attention only necessary if the patient becomes symptomatic. Patient will report history of atrial fibrillation. Atrial flutter. What is atrial flutter? When heart rate is atrial 250 to 400 ventricular and rhythm is irregular, P wave southward. PR interval second not measurable and QRS second less than 12. Atrial flutter. More than one P wave for every QRS complex demonstrate a sawtooth appearance. Atrial rhythm is regular, ventricular rhythm will be regular if the AV node conducts consistently. If the pattern varies, the ventricular rate will be irregular. Rate will depend on the ratio of impulses conducted through the ventricles. Atrial flutter is classified as a ratio of P waves per QRS complexes. Example 3:1. Flutter 3 P wave for each QRS. Not considered life-threatening. Consult physician is patient symptomatic. Junctional rhythm. Heart rate. Usual normal. Rhythm irregular. P wave premature abnormal. May be inverted or hidden. PR interval sector. Short 12 QRS second normal. In premature junctional contraction PJC. Premature junctional contraction. In premature junctional contraction PJC, P wave can come before or after the QRS complex or it may lost in the QRS complex. If visible, the P wave will be inverted. Rhythm will be regular due to single ectopic beat. Rhythm will be regular due to single ectopic beat. Heart rate will depend on underlying rhythm. Heart rate will depend on underlying rhythm. Underlying rhythm must be identified. In premature junctional contractions, underlying rhythm must be identified. Classify as a rare, occasional, or frequent PJC based on frequency. Atria are depolarized via retrograde conduction. Junctional rhythm. Accelerated junctional. In accelerated junctional, heart rate verified, rhythm regular, P wave inverted absent or after QRS, PR interval second. In accelerated junctional rhythm, P wave can come before or after the QRS complex are lost within the QRS complex. If P wave are seen, they will be inverted. Rhythm is regular. Heart rate between 60 to 100 beats per minute within the normal HR range. Fast rate for the junction normally 40 to 60 beats per minute. Junctional tachycardia. In junctional tachycardia, heart rate will be in junctional tachycardia, P wave can come before or after the QRS complex are lost within the QRS entirely. If a P wave is seen, it will be inverted. If a P wave is seen, it will be inverted. Rhythm is regular. In junctional tachycardia, rhythm is regular and rate is between 100 to 180 beats per minute. Rate is between 100 to 180 beats per minute in the tachycardia range, but not originating from AC node. AV node has sped up. AV node has sped up to override the AC node for control of the heart. Junctional rhythm. In junctional escape rhythm, P wave may come before or after the QRS or may be hidden in the QRS entirely. If P wave are seen, they will be inverted. In junctional escape rhythm, P wave may come before or after the QRS, or may be hidden in QRS entirely, If P waves are seen, they will be inverted. And if P waves are seen, they will be inverted. Rhythm is regular. Rate 40 to 60 beats per minute. Rate 40 to 60 beats per minute. The AC node has failed. The AV junction takes over control of the heart. AV junction takes over control of the heart. Ventricular rhythm. Preventricular contraction. In a premature ventricular contraction, the ectopic beat is not preceded by P wave. The irregular rhythm due to ectopic beat. Irregular rhythm due to ectopic beat. Rate will be determined by underlying rhythm. QRS is high and may be bizarre in appearance. QRS is wide. In premature ventricular contraction, QRS is wide and may be bizarre in appearance, caused by irritable focus within the ventricles, which fire premature. Must identify an underlying rhythm. Premature ventricular contraction must identify an underlying rhythm. Premature ventricular contraction classify as rare, occasional or frequent. It classify as a rare, occasional or frequent. Classify as unifocal or multifocal PVC, premature ventricular contractions. Unifocal originated from some area of ventricles. It originating from same area of ventricles. Distinguished by same morphology. It originating from the same area of ventricles and distinguished by same morphology. Then ventricular rhythm. Premature ventricular contractions classify as unifocal or multifocal PVC, premature ventricular contractions. Unifocal originating from same area of ventricles and distinguished by same morphology. And in multifocal originating from different area of ventricles and distinct by different morphology. Unifocal originating from same area of ventricles and multifocal originating from different area of ventricles. Premature ventricle contractions by Gemini. By Gemini, a PVC occurring every other beats, also seen as trigemini and quadrigemini. Ventricular rhythm. Dangerous PVC R on T. Runs of PVC 3 or more considered VTEC. Ventricular rhythm. Ventricular tachycardia. Heart rate. Heart rate will be 100 to 250. Rhythm is regular and P wave, no P waves corresponding to QRS of few may be soon. A PR interval second NA, QRS second. Ventricular tachycardia. In ventricular tachycardia, no discernible P waves with QRS. Rhythm is regular. In ventricular tachycardia, rhythm is regular and atrial rate cannot be determined. Ventricular tachycardia, atrial rate cannot be determined. Ventricular rate between 150 to 250 beats per minute. Must we see 4 beats in row to classify as VTEC. Ventricular tachycardia. This is deadly rhythm. What is ventricular tachycardia? This is deadly rhythm. Check patient. If patient awake and alert, monitor patient and call physician. If the patient has no vital sign, call code and start CPR, defibrillator. In ventricular tachycardia, this is deadly rhythm and check the patient. If the patient awake and alert, monitor the patient and call the physician. And if the patient has no vital sign, call code and start CPR. CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Heart rate, ventricular fibrillation. In ventricular fibrillation, heart rate will be 0. Rhythm will be chaotic and P wave known and PR interval second NA and QRS second known. Ventricular fibrillation, no discernible P waves, no regularity, unable to determine it. Multiple irritable foci within the ventricles, all firing simultaneously, may be coarse or fine. This is deadly rhythm. Patient will have no pulse and call a code or begin CPR. Call a code and begin cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Asystole, no P waves, no regularity, no rate. This rhythm is associated with death. Check patient and leads. No pulse and begin CPR. Heart blocks. Heart rate normal. Rhythm regular. P waves before each QRS. First degree heart block. In first degree heart block, heart rate will be normal, rhythm regular and P waves before each QRS identical and PR interval second less than 20 and QRS second greater than 20. First degree heart rate, heart block, P waves for every QRS, rhythm is regular, rate may be vary. AV nodes hold each impulse longer than normal before conducting normally through the ventricles. Prolonged PR interval looks just like normal sinus rhythm. In first degree heart block, looks just like a normal. Prolonged PR interval looks just like normal sinus rhythm. Heart block. Second degree heart block. Mobitis type 1 Wenck-Beck. In second degree heart block, heart rate will normal, can be slow, irregular, rhythm will be irregular, P wave will be present but some node be followed by QRS. PR interval is progressively longer and QR second 12. Second degree heart block, Mobitis type 1. Some PVFs are not followed by QRS complexes. Rhythm is irregular. PR interval is in pattern of grouped beating. Rhythm in second degree heart block, rhythm is irregular and RR interval is in pattern of grouped beating or rate 60 to 100 beats per minute. Intermittent block at the AV node progressively prolong PR interval until a QRS is blocked completely. Intermittent block at the AV node progressively prolonged PR interval until a QRS is blocked completely. Second degree heart block, Mobitz type second, or type 2, classical. Heart rate will be usually slow, rhythm regular or irregular. Rhythm will be regular or irregular. PVFs 2, 3 or 4 before is QRS identical. PR interval second 12 to 20. QRS second greater than 20 depends. Second degree heart block, Mobitis type 2, classical. More PVFs than QRS complexes. Rhythm is irregular. Next, atrial rate 60 to 100 beats per minute. Ventricular rate 30 to 100 beats per minute depending on the ratio or on conduction. Atrial rate 60 to 100 beats per minute. Ventricular heart rate 30 to 100 beats per minute depending on the ratio and conduction. Heart block, third degree heart block, complete. Heart rate 30 to 60. Rhythm regular. P-waves present but no correlation to QRS may be hidden. P-waves present but no correlation to QRS may be hidden. PR interval second varies and QRS second 12 depends. In third degree heart blocks complete, when heart block completely, there are more PVFs than QRS complexes. Both PP and RR interval are regular. In third degree heart block, both PP and RR interval are regular and atrial rate within normal range and ventricular rate between 20 to 60 beats per minute and ventricular rate between 20 to 60 beats per minute. The block at the AV node is complete and the block at the AV node is complete. There is no relationship between the P waves and QRS complex. No relationship between the P waves and QRS complexes.